Keep come.
Keep come.
Qu'est-ce
qu'on joue?
Faut nous tourner.
Major movement. One man. Young child.
Hold on.
You know what I mean? Stacks.
It says keep calm.
Wait.
Says keep calm.
Keep calm. Pay attention. Keep calm.
Stevie Bashman.
April 20th. At what is Venice nightclub? Venice nightclub. It's in Brooklyn. Keep calm. DJ Vibe.
Right.
Major movement.
Right.
DJ Vibe, major movement.
That's his birthday.
Who is this? DJ Vibes.
It's all about. Keep calm.
Yeah.
Keep calm.
Yeah.
That guy looks familiar.
The DJs on the lineup, I'm gonna tell you.
Me still look familiar.
I don't know that guy. What's his name? Skilly Boshman. Of course, major movement.
Major.
DJ Young Chow.
Wow. Young Chow.
I think it's shiny. I think it. Oh, Young Chow. I think it's shiny.
Is that like Power 105 or Hot 97?
53.
53 DJ Lugo coming up.
Oh, this one is very important. Platinum Kids. Platinum Kids. And then all this birthday celebration is crazy. Keep calm.
Keep calm.
Soon.
Keep calm.
I will see you there.
I will see you.
Early arrival is necessary.
Yo, this shit is going like in 360 right now, man.
Okay. I was drinking, man. But I can ask us to Facebook Live. Big time promotion for this guy. DJ Vibe birthday bass. It's gonna. Keep calm for him. Keep calm.